And that's how you make popcorn. Wait, am I forgetting something? To make your popcorn, you will need butter, salt, olive oil, and last but not least, your popping corn. Get out a pot and a lid. Take off the top of your pot and pour in 1/4 cup of your popping corn. Then put it in and make sure not to add any more. This is enough for 2 people, so keep that in mind whenever you're baking this. Put in olive oil so that it coats the bottom of the pan. Put the cap back on your pot and set your stove to a medium-high heat. Let it continue to cook until you stop hearing lots and lots of popping noises coming from your pot. Meanwhile, put in some nice butter into your microwave and allow it to melt. You should be seeing lots of steam coming out of your pot. Once the popping begins to subside, take your pot off the heat. Get out a large bowl and take your pot of popcorn and pour in all of the kernels inside. Right now your popcorn will be utterly tasteless, so pour in your butter that you just melted and drizzle it over. Add in salt, quite a bit, and add in a little bit more of your olive oil. Oh wait, I forgot what you have popcorn with. Math homework. Okay, so parametric function domain problem. Sometimes when you eliminate the parameter, the Cartesian function has a domain different from that of the parametric function. In this function, you will